Hi, I'm Larika. If you're looking for a peaceful, low-pressure way to be creative, especially if you're like me living with chronic illness, pain or fatigue, this might be just the thing for you. In this video, I want to introduce you to a very beautiful, slow art practice called painting with paper. Now, what is painting with paper? It's a slow, gentle collage based on techniques where you combine acrylic or watercolor paint, thin, transparent and translucent papers. It's not about perfection or not about planning, it's about layering, playing and letting your feelings guide the process. What I love about this method is how flexible it is. You don't need to make perfect lines with fine brushes or big burst of energy to be able to do it. You can do it at your pace, short sessions. You can do as much or as little as you like at a time, or what you're able to do when you're not feeling good on bad days. And most importantly, you can't really get it wrong no matter what you do. If it's wrong, you just add more layers. I first discovered this style through the artist Marabeth Quin. Her work is full of soft layers and emotion, and when I saw how she paints with paper, I knew it would be a wonderful fit for gentle, healing creativity. I've adapted this into a calming, accessible process, perfect for days when energy is low, but creativity still calls. Whether you are brand new to art or just looking for a soft place to land, you're welcome here. There's no rush, no rules, just space to breathe and create. You don't have to finish a masterpiece. Over the next few videos, I will walk you through the whole process, step by step. We will make our own collage papers, set up for low energy days, create calming backgrounds, and layer paper and paint with meaning and care. I also share the tools that help me manage hand pain and fatigue while I create. See you in the next video, where I will show you how to tint and store your collage papers. Subscribe if you like to follow along, and do not forget to click on the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of the following videos in this series. Let me know in the comments what kind of art helps you to rest and recharge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.